Tech Ed has been a great experience. I've met a lot of great people here. We're learning a lot and we're collaborating with each other.
You know, I think it's a great, fun environment where people get to learn from each other. At some bigger conferences or events, sometimes that gets kind of lost.
I love the small breakout rooms. They're very engaging.
My favorite activity at Tech Ed is always engaging, collaborating with like-minded peers, thinking about how we are helping and supporting students in our classroom and coming back home with new things that I can begin to incorporate in my classes.
You get to meet different colleagues, some in your discipline, some not. Just get to share different teaching practices and things that are on your mind with the teaching landscape.
Oh, it's so fun. The interactions with faculty have been enriching to learn new viewpoints, new ideas. It's been delightful. I want to come back.